This push pin diverter for the tub shower. Guy turned it on and it just kind of blew the pin out. Spring. Some of them have springs, some of them don't. And water just started squirting out of that hole. So if something's broke or rusted off, we'll take it apart and replace this thing. They're not too difficult. So I already loosened everything to speed along this video. Get the screw out of your handle, pull that off, loosen up the screws to the escutcheon plate and pull that escutcheon trim plate off so you can get in there to the valve body. You can see there it's actually part of the valve body, that diverter thing. So you'll need a deep well socket or stem wrench, a pair of pliers, channel locks, crescent wrench, whatever you need to get in there to get it loosened. Those stem wrenches are pretty handy. So just loosen that up and pull it out of there, and then inspect the inside of that hole, because something obviously broke off or rusted off. So you got to make sure we get all the little pieces and stuff out of there. I got some little needle nose pliers. Looking up in there, I can see the plastic diverter thing. Obviously, I think it just rusted off. This thing's kind of old. So just reach in there and get any debris and chunks and pieces, parts out of there. Yeah, looks like it rusted off. And then inspect that real good. And then the new one, got it at Home Depot, 10, 12 bucks, something like that. It's got a little O-ring on there, so you don't need any Teflon tape or anything like that. Just there's a little slot back there for the plastic piece to fit into. That'll keep the whole thing from spinning on you. But just get that in there and then tighten it down real good till it won't go any farther, and you should be good to go. Test it before you cover it up. I did, and then I covered it up and put some caulking around there, because the gaskets on that trim piece are kind of wore out a little bit, but that's not going to hurt anything. You know, you could replace that trim piece, make it look brand new if you wanted to. I didn't want to go to the hassle, so I checked it first, and I'm going to check it again, turn the water on, full blast, come out the tub spout, and make sure it's not dripping. It wasn't dripping before, so it shouldn't drip now. And then push the pin, test the shower, let it run for a little bit. So yeah, we're good to go. Take the pressure off, pull that pin out, let the water drain out, and yeah. So if you get a problem like that, don't be scared to get your hands dirty. And good luck. There you go.